Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log into Udemy without OTP. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. That should be easy enough. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll direct you to the login page. Now, at this stage, you'll have a couple of options. You can either log in using your email and password or through an SSO, which stands for Single Sign-On. This option is handy if you prefer logging in using a service like Google. Let's take a closer look. If you choose to log in using an SSO, simply click on your preferred service. A new window or pop-up should appear, prompting you to enter your login details that are linked to that account. Follow the prompts, and once you're done, you'll automatically be logged into Udemy. Now, if you prefer to use your email address instead, click on the Continue with Email button. Here's where it gets straightforward. If during your Udemy sign-up process you set a password, the system will prompt you to enter it. Just type in your password and you should be good to go. No OTP required. In case you haven't set a password when you signed up, once you're logged into your account through the OTP or SSO, head over to your account settings. Within your settings, you should see an option to update or change your password. Simply type in your desired password and click on Change Password to save it. Remember this password for the future. This way, the next time you log in, you'll be prompted to use your password instead of going through the one-time password process. And that's it. So that is how you can log into Udemy without OTP. So that's all for this video. Thanks.